The Jewish Healthcare Foundation's fellowship programs each have a unique focus, but all prepare graduate students to be change agents in healthcare. The Jonas Salk Fellowship looks at persistent public health issues with a critical eye, through a different lens, if you will.
The Salk Fellowship came out of our conviction that Salk represented the most important thing ever, and that is dramatic, not incremental change.
Jonas Salk Fellows propose solutions to a group of public health issues by applying 4 problem-solving lenses: advocacy and activism, predictive modeling, disruptive innovation, and crisis management.
This was really interesting in a different way, in that you got to take a step back and look at all these big issues in healthcare from all these different lenses. So work in a team from very, very diverse backgrounds.
I look at my problems that I've identified every day, and I use our models to kind of work through those. But when you look at these different issues, be it HIV or HPV or campus rape, it's really interesting how we can apply those same strategies that I use to the problems that they're working with.
Whether it's seeing the work of predictive modelers at the University of Pittsburgh, who are identifying populations at risk based on immunization coverage rates, or how disruptive innovators at Carnegie Mellon are using a virtual assistant to improve asthma COPD disease control, the Jonas Salk Fellows look at healthcare through a much broader and multidisciplinary lens.
I can see the role of disruptive innovation in healthcare to be twofold, really. In the one sense, it can dramatically reduce healthcare costs, and in the other sense, it can improve outcomes, making people healthier.
The Jewish Healthcare Foundation fellowships attract a range of participants with different experience levels to its QIT Center, where quality improvement meets information technology, a versatile space for presentations as well as reflection.
As someone who went through my fair share of medical education and graduated from medical school, I think that the Salk Fellowship is a different kind of educational opportunity altogether.
If you want to gain more experience, just as far as healthcare, period, any aspect of it, no matter what your background is going to be beneficial.
These are the leaders of the future. And what is more exciting than kind of forcing them to think outside the box? I want them to leave with big dreams and goals and desires. So when I think that we could accomplish that through a fellowship, I don't know how I could better spend my time on earth.
Being able to take a step back from whatever it is you're looking at and figure out how to look at it in a more holistic point of view is really important, and I think just that understanding is what I gained from the Salk Fellowship.
I would absolutely participate in another fellowship through the Jewish Healthcare Foundation, without a doubt.
For more information on the Jewish Healthcare Foundation's fellowships, please contact us at science@jhf.org or 412-594-2550.